If you're considering DigitalOcean's app platform for your web hosting needs, it's important to know exactly what you're getting into. Before you make your purchase, let's explore 12 key factors that could help you decide if it's the right choice, especially when compared to competitors like AWS, Heroku, or Versal. First thing, DigitalOcean app platform is designed with simplicity in mind. Unlike AWS or Google Cloud, which can be overwhelming for beginners, DigitalOcean offers an intuitive user interface, making it easier for developers to get started without needing deep cloud experience. Next thing, pricing. DigitalOcean's app platform offers a transparent pricing model that's easier to understand than many competitors. With a pay-as-you-go approach, you're charged based on usage, and the cost can be significantly lower than AWS, especially for smaller projects. This makes it an attractive option for startups or personal projects that need budget-friendly hosting. The third thing you should know is the range of services. DigitalOcean focuses on simplicity, but its app platform still provides a comprehensive set of tools for app deployment, scaling, and maintenance. While services like AWS and Azure offer more complex solutions, they also come with a higher learning curve. DigitalOcean gives you the power of Kubernetes, Docker support, and easy GitHub integration, making it a good option for developers who need flexibility. Next thing, auto-scaling. With DigitalOcean, you can scale your app based on demand, but you need to make sure that you configure it properly. While it does provide auto-scaling, it may not be as sophisticated as competitors like Heroku or AWS, where scaling features are more robust, particularly for enterprise-level applications. The fifth thing is performance. DigitalOcean's infrastructure is solid, but for large-scale applications, you may notice slower performance compared to AWS or Google Cloud's more powerful servers. If you're running high-traffic apps or need the utmost performance, DigitalOcean might fall short. For smaller apps and websites, though, it's more than enough. Next, the app platform offers a free tier, which can be a great way to get started without any financial commitment. This is a huge advantage for those testing ideas or building small projects. However, once your app grows, you'll need to move to a paid tier, and costs can increase depending on your resource usage. The seventh thing is deployment speed. One of DigitalOcean's strongest points is its fast deployment times, particularly when integrating with GitHub. Unlike AWS or Azure, where deployment can feel slow or require complex configurations, DigitalOcean's simple push-to-deploy model ensures your changes go live faster. Next thing, support. While DigitalOcean provides a great community, they fall behind AWS in terms of 24/7 enterprise-level support. If you're looking for immediate expert assistance during critical times, you may find AWS or Google Cloud a bit more responsive. The ninth thing is security. DigitalOcean includes essential security features, including SSL, firewalls, and DDoS protection. However, for enterprise-grade security, AWS offers more extensive options, including advanced IAM, identity and access management features, multi-factor authentication, and compliance certifications. Next, integrations. DigitalOcean app platform has decent integration options, but it doesn't match the variety that AWS or Google Cloud offers. If you rely heavily on specific third-party services, be sure to check whether they're supported before committing. The 11th thing is updates and monitoring. DigitalOcean offers automatic updates and a basic monitoring dashboard, but it's not as comprehensive as AWS CloudWatch or Azure Monitor. This may not be a deal breaker for smaller apps, but for large applications requiring real-time performance insights, competitors may have the edge. Finally, flexibility. DigitalOcean app platform is perfect for smaller to medium-scale projects. It's less customizable than AWS or Google Cloud, which might offer greater flexibility if you need to tweak specific components of your infrastructure. However, for those who prefer simplicity and ease of use, DigitalOcean hits the sweet spot. In conclusion, DigitalOcean app platform is a solid choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use web hosting solution. However, if you're after more advanced